Welcome back, guys, and today we have a couple useful things, hopefully. Let's get started. So one, I have a giveaway. So it's going to be the FLywhoo. It's a brand new FLywhoo Explorer LR 4-inch long range analog variant, no receiver. Make sure you leave only one comment down below. So make sure you do that, and I'll announce the winner within 5 days or so. So let's push this to the side and let's look at this. So Banggood this morning sent me a Excel sheet with their November 10th sale. Most of these things are on sale right now on a specific limited quantity, not with just the coupons. Forget the coupons right now. I'll show you some more products. So these coupons right here should work as well for the iFly stuff. 15-20% off seems like a pretty good deal. Now, if we go up here, they're running what seems to be a pretty massive sale. It's really hard to know how big of a sale this is actually. But, you know, I highlighted some of the things that I found pretty interesting. EV300Os, $420. I know many people are like, why the hell would I pay $400 when I could just go DJI? They also have the DJI down here somewhere. The complete kit from $1,000, which I doubt it was $1,000, but it could be, down to $800. Right now it's at $818. There's 27 pieces left or something. Let's actually double check this together. So if you're looking into getting into HD stuff, so right now it's at 818 bucks, and I have no idea how much it was selling before this sale right here. We can see 27 pieces left, so no idea. And if you know, let me know down in the comment section with your one comment for the giveaway. So be careful, use that comment wisely. Next we have, you know, the DJI Osmo, some Caddx Orcas and stuff. You can go through the list. I'm not going to go through everything. I just highlighted some stuff for you guys. FrSky, I know many of you probably don't like FrSky now because of the bullshit they've done, but it's still a good product at the end of the day. It's very reliable and you have good support on it. But yeah, that's why I highlighted those, because I don't have much experience with Radiomaster, neither the FlySky new stuff, neither the Jumper stuff, so I really can't speak about that. So that's why I just highlighted the FrSky stuff. For example, a new QX7. Let's see, is this the S? The QX7 for 100 bucks. I mean, that sounds like how much it usually costs, doesn't it? Okay, so right now it's 109 bucks, and it's gonna drop to 100 bucks basically. That might be a pretty good deal actually. So yeah, why not? What else do we have? And again, back to the quadcopters here. There's also the camera drones if you're into that. They have some stuff here for you. I actually used this one in China. I think it was this one. Let's double check it. I really liked it actually. Yeah, this one right here. It's pretty good. It's actually really nice. I did use it and I really did like it, and I was going to buy one, but then I realized that I'll probably never ever use it, so I just didn't buy one. But yeah, it was a really nice one to use. I had a really pleasant time with that one. Anyways, iFlight stuff, so they have some coupons, and some things will be on sale without a coupon, such as these two down here, which is the Mega Bee and the Bumblebee. The Earsheen Cavatar or Vatar, I don't know how to pronounce it. It was pretty decent. Actually, I still have it. I like it. I kept it, actually. Usually, I give them away or sell those stuff, but I actually kept this one, the 6S variant. It was pretty nice, and it's very cheap as well. So I did keep it. It's still working very nicely. And yeah, you have a coupon 15% off. And the LOL 3 was pretty nice when I used it. Actually, I think I used the Vista edition. But yeah, that one was a pretty nice one. But the props are in the shot. So if you're into that stuff, don't get it if you don't like your props in the shot. There's way more stuff down here, so I'll just leave that down below. Go ahead and go through it, see what you like, and hopefully you'll save a buck or two. And everything's linked down below. Come join my Patreon. I do a ton of giveaways, and I'm doing specific hours per day where I just sit down, chit chat with you guys on Discord, live voice, or just chatting. And you get all the benefits also when you join my Patreon. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.